How to fix WhatsApp notification sound. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix WhatsApp notification sound. Now, if you scroll down your notification bar, you'll get the sound option here. Now make sure the first thing is your do not disturb mode is turned off. Now if you turn this on, you won't get any notification pop-up or any sound or notification sound. So now after this, tap on sound. You can see the option sound. Now make sure it's on the sound. Now if you long tap on it and here make sure it's on sound, and you can either set to vibrate while ringing or you can either set it off. Now to fix the particular WhatsApp sound, what you want to do is scroll down your notification bar and head into settings. You can find the settings icon on the top right corner of your screen. Now scroll down and head into apps. Once on apps, you can either search or you can scroll down. Now I'll just search for WhatsApp here, and once on WhatsApp you'll get the option permissions. Now you can see notifications above it. Tap on notifications and make sure it's toggled on. Now if this is toggled off, you won't get any notification from WhatsApp. Make sure it's toggled on and make sure it's on allow sound and vibration. And you can either set it to show content on your lock screen or hide it from here too. Now if this is all good and it's still not giving you notification, it's probably the glitch or a bug from their end. So what you want to do is reset the app. Now to do so, go back, and once on WhatsApp, on application info, scroll down and you get the option storage. Now on storage, what you want to do is clear your data. Once you do this, the app will reset and you'll need to log into your account again, and once you do this, it will fix the issue. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.